Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third installment on reducing cut lines on like a name tag. And this is going to be a two-part series. One of them is going to be on how to do it, and the other one is going to be to make it how it not jump around when it's cutting. So I'm going to do one right here. So I've got my name tag. It's 3 inches by 1 inch. I've got it selected. I'm going to go to range. I'm going to convert it to curve. Then I'm going to set my nudge distance on 1/2 of an inch, and you'll see why in just a second. So then click on this and grab both those nodes and go right here and break curve apart. Then still with your shape tool, click a node right there and then move it out of the way 1/2 of an inch. Now you need to go up to range and break curve apart. Now we're going to take this piece and Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. I set my nudge factor now on 3 inches. Take your duplicate and move it over. Now take this line, go back to 0.5 inches and move it back. So now you have the name tags where they won't cut that middle line twice. Now you can do the same thing on this. And what's nice about this, you've already converted this to a curve. Your duplicate is a curve. So let's take this right here with the shape tool. Select these two nodes. Go up and break curve apart. Then let's go ahead and do these while we're at it. Just grab those two nodes, break apart. Then you need to grab your shape tool and click a node right there. And let's go back to, let's make our offset now, well, let's make it 2 inches. So we'll grab this, we'll click a node there and we'll move it down 2 inches. Same thing here. Click a node there and move it down 2 inches. Now we're going to set our nudge factor on 1 inch because our name tags are 1 inch apart. So now we're going to you need to break the curve apart, which is Control K. So I'm going to just hit Control K and it's going to break the curve apart. Then I'm going to get our name tag and I'm going to Control D and I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm going to move it down 1 inch. And I'm going to move this down, Control D and make a duplicate. Now we can move our line back the 1 inch, back the 1 inch, and then the only thing we really screwed up on is right there. Make a duplicate of that, Control D and move it down. Make a duplicate of that and Control D and move it down. Control D and move it down. So now you've got 4 name tags. And the best way to do this would be to take these 4 and then watch the next video if you wanted to make more. Because we're going to show you a cut order. Because if you cut these now the way they are, I'm hitting the tab key and it's going to cut that one, that line, then over there and back up to there and over there, there. And it's going to cut in sporadically. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you how to put those in order using the object manager. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.